Hi guys, good morning. We made it through the night. It rained from like 4 o'clock in the morning until like right now. It's like a break in it and it's gonna rain all day. I'm a little sad, I'm not gonna lie. But the rest of the week is gonna be beautiful. I'm totally okay and cool with that. I wanted to give you a little info of like where we are. We are at the Columbus Bell campground in Columbus, Kentucky. And it's really cool because the campground overlooks the Mississippi River, which you can see Missouri. So like that land that I'm seeing right there, that's Missouri. What? Crazy. This campground's really cool because it's situated in between Illinois, Missouri, Kentucky, and Tennessee, I believe. So like this area that we're in like touches all those states, and it's really, really cool. I'm very excited about this. I can't wait to explore when Nate and Jenna and Pearl get here and stuff like that when it's not raining. So yeah, look how pretty it is. Oh, precious. And just like that, it's starting to rain again. I just took Feta for a quick walk around the loop. It's literally just one quick loop. So like our camper is here and right behind us is where we were, and it just loops straight around. I think there's, I want to say 30, 32 maybe campsites. They all seem to have water hookups, which is really nice. So they have electricity and water hookups. The campsite host is really nice. His name was Tom. And that's where you get your wood and your ice from. And actually, you don't have to check in. You could check in online. There's no place to actually check in here, but Tom did come around when he saw us pull in, ask us, you know, like who we were. And we have like a little sign on our pole that says 15, that says Hopkins, and our dates that we're here for. So yeah, everybody seems super friendly. But now I'm gonna go sit inside for the rest of the day because it's wet. Last we heard, Nate and Jenna were getting close, so we ordered pizza, and I have to go pick it up in a few minutes, and hopefully they'll be here. Feta, don't roll in the ground. That's nasty. It's all wet and gross. Yuck. What are you doing? Huh? What you doing? Pearl, are you excited to be here? Yeah! You love Feta so much? How much?
So much!
Okay. It's the Mississippi River.
Mississippi River.
Mississippi!
Yeah.
Say it. Can you say it?
Mississippi River.
Say it for your mommy so she can hear you.
Mississippi River.
Pearl, it's the Mississippi River! Pearl's just learning how to ride our big wheel today. So exciting. The leaves are falling! Jenna, Halloween time. You do?
Yes.
You do?
I do!
Okay, let's go. Come on, this way. Behind me.
This here. Not camera.
You're bringing that all the way up here, Pearl? So nice of you. So nice of you. Ooh, don't. Oh, it gets a rose bush. Those are thorny. First thing Jenna wanted to do, check out the cemetery across the street, like I said. Do you love your mommy, Pearl?
Yeah,
You do?
I do.
You love her?
Yeah.
That's precious. Go.
Oh god, that's so bad.
Oh my god, look at her. She's so excited.
It's no longer a surprise. It sucks, but it's no longer a surprise. The first one's the only time you get a good one.
You're literally the worst, Nathan Dawson. The worst.
The first time, yes, that was like, oh my god, but this time, not anymore. I mean, I know what it's gonna taste like. I'm not a virgin anymore. I've taken a couple shots.